Welcome to CyberTheo. If you're interested in sustainable living and want to explore a unique way to grow your own food, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of aquaponics, a method that combines aquaculture, raising fish, with hydroponics, growing plants without soil, to create a self-sustaining ecosystem. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or just curious about new ways to be eco-friendly, this beginner's guide will help you build your own aquaponics system from scratch. Let's get started. What is aquaponics? The definition of aquaponics, where fish waste provides organic nutrients for plants, and the plants naturally filter the water, creating a symbiotic environment. Benefits of aquaponics is the environmental benefits, such as water conservation, reduced need for chemical fertilizers, and the ability to grow food in small spaces. Basic components of an aquaponics system. Fish tank. The role of the fish tank as the primary source of nutrients for the plants and the different types of fish suitable for aquaponics, like tilapia, goldfish, or catfish. Grow bed. The grow bed where plants will thrive, and the importance of choosing the right media, such as gravel or clay pellets, to support root growth. Water pump and pipes. The importance of a water pump to circulate water between the fish tank and grow bed, and how to set up the plumbing to ensure proper flow and filtration. Filtration system. Explain how the filtration system works to remove solid waste from the water before it reaches the plants. Setting up your aquaponics system. Choosing the right location. Tips on selecting a suitable spot for your aquaponics system, considering factors like sunlight, temperature, and access to power. Assembling the system. Assembling the components, including installing the fish tank, setting up the grow bed, and connecting the water pump and filtration system. Cycling the system. The process of cycling the system to establish beneficial bacteria that will convert fish waste into nutrients for the plants, and how to test water quality during this phase. Selecting and caring for fish and plants. Fish selection and care. The best fish species for beginners, feeding requirements, and how to monitor fish health. Plant selection and growth. Choosing plants that thrive in aquaponics systems, such as leafy greens, herbs, and certain vegetables, and tips on planting and harvesting. Maintaining and troubleshooting your aquaponics system. Regular maintenance. Cover the routine tasks needed to keep your system running smoothly, such as checking water levels, cleaning filters, and monitoring fish and plant health. Common issues and solutions. Common problems, like algae growth, pH imbalances, and fish or plant diseases, and provide practical solutions for each. That's a wrap on our beginner's guide to aquaponics. With a little effort, you can create a sustainable system that provides fresh fish and vegetables right in your own home. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe to CyberTheo for more tips on sustainable living, DIY projects, and tech. Have any experiences with aquaponics? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.